For only 180,000 pesos, all in cash out, no hidden charges, no hidden fees, meron ka ng family van na magiging comfortable ang buong family. I got you ulit! So this is the 2020 acquired Hyundai Starex VGT automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 16 inches alloy wheels, bagong-bago yung mga tires at sa harap, halogen headlight, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at functional para sa intercooler, turbo at 4 ang ending. At sa engine naman, it's a 2.5 liter CRDI VGT turbo diesel automatic transmission engine at napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina at ang good thing, napakaraming available parts ng Hyundai. Magdala ng scanner at mekaniko para sa peace of mind mo. At sa likod, orig pa yung mga lens, may rear sensor at sa trunk, okay ang trunk space at kung gusto mo ng more space, I got you. Boom! At dito sa loob, super clean na headliner, fresh fabric seats at 1-2 storage space, traditional infotainment system, climate control, automatic transmission with plus minus, mini storage, 2 cup holders at another 2 cup holders na nagiging extra seat, leather wrap na steering wheel, super fresh, analog display with 62,000 kilometers on the clock only, at vanity mirror sa passenger side at syempre may shade holder na rin to. At syempre naka dual doors na rin to at meron siyang air vents, aircon controls at sa likod naman sobrang comfortable ng space at meron siyang air vents, speakers at 2 cup holders on both sides. At na-mention ko ba na pwede mong gawin to? 8 to 9 seater family van na magiging sobrang comfortable ang buong family at syempre super reliable. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 180,000 pesos, all in cash out, no hidden charges, no hidden fees, and 26k monthly for 4 years. At sa cash naman, 885,000 pesos lang mauuwi mo na to. Kaya kung gusto mo to, i-reserve mo na para happy yung buong family. Thank you guys, peace out!